Hi there. To upload artwork to your order, find your order number in this column. Ensure that you've verified your address and you've uploaded your proof of payment, and then you can go click on order details. And when you go into the order, you'll see that upload artwork is red. And then once you have uploaded it, it will be green. So you have two options: start uploader or start artwork designer. This is the design system that we use, or alternatively, if you've already got your artwork, you click on start uploader. Here you can drag and drop your artwork. Click upload one file. And then you can close this and you'll see that this is green, which indicates that it has been done correctly. Thank you.